So, Orsana, what are we gonna do? We're gonna ride the airplane because I've been here for like 9 years since we were born. Oh, anyways, let's just ride the. Hello, you are the last passengers, right? Yeah, we saw a lot of people boarding the airplane, so yeah, we may need 2 tickets, extra money to go on the plane. Okay, your your room will be C79. That's your seats. Okay, have a nice day. We were the last passengers to go on board that plane. Do you agree, Asimo? Yes. Wait, the announcement going on. We have to be quiet. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. We will be flying on the plane. Please fasten your seatbelt, and once you fasten your seatbelt, we are ready to go. Please, and have a nice day. Oh wow, we're taking off. Wow. Anyways, let's have relaxing time on the airplane. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking again. We will be putting autopilot mode because I'm tired of driving. I may take a nap, so autopilot mode on. It's going on. Please stay. Autopilot mode is on. It seems we're flying, right? Yes. Oh, look. Hello, Eric is my hero. Hello. And who's that guy over there? Oh, it's Jack. You remember from the elevator? Oh, yeah. I remember Jack from the Roblox elevator 1989, right? And Chicken Guy, like Royal High Princess from the 5th Annual Bloxy Awards. Supergirl, which is the one that saved our lives. Yes! And how about in the captain room? Let's see. This VR worker who's the captain. Let's see the nightmare. We're gonna attack you, haha! Pew, pew! Og, oof! No, not again. Oof! Oh, bum. I had a bad nightmare. I'm taking a nap again. Did he just say I had a bad nightmare in the speaker? No, that's so funny. You can't say that while you're whatever. Anyways, I do not know what window we are in. Let's see in the window. We're up here again. Why is our seats always up here again? I don't know. Arsenal. Also, can you just be quiet? Should be ashamed of yourself. Dun 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 dun. Asimo, did you just shout the whole plane? The captain could not hear it. Yeah, duh. Say that one more time and I'll kick you off this plane. No. Okay, I hope you don't do it, because if you do, I'm literally gonna kick you off this plane. Not me, Asimo. Yes, you. If you won't just stop talking. Ow! Ching! Ladies and gentlemen, the food will be served. Please get prepared for the food. 15 minutes later, after they ate the food, burp! Burp, 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 burp! I am just full. Do you agree, everyone on the plane? Yes. Let's see first. Da-da-da-dun. We are just going, having a nice day, aren't we, guys? Yes. Now, we're not gonna see in the captain room, so, yeah. When do you guys were born? We were born in, the girls were born, a long time ago, in 1928. Supergirl, wait, this year's 1972, right? Yes. Whatever, let's just enjoy. Dun 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 dun. Ew. I am just gonna sleep. Yeah, also. Let's have some sleep. Oh, let's just sleep, everybody. Yeah, because right now it's like 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock a.m. and the captain is not sleeping. He's driving. I am actually driving, guys. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, it's nighttime. Please take a nap and stretch your legs. I hope you enjoy the ride, and we will be arriving at that destination at 2 days. Okay, Captain. A long hour later. Bum bum bam! Oh, it's morning time. Let's just wait for the new breakfast. Yeah, I'm full. I just ate our breakfast already. Okay. Beep alert. We are having a problem. Engine 1 and engine 2 and engine 3 are having fire. Oh no! Oh no! We have to escape the airplane. Dun, 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 we're going upside down. We're going upside down. We're gonna crash. Ow! Help! Someone! Help! I'm burning! Help us! We're hurt! We need an ambulance! All right, the doctor's here. Do not worry, guys. I'm gonna help you. You all are so injured. You have 69 bloods coming out from your back. Oh no, this is not good. We're in the hospital. Yeah, we're dead. I think I'm losing blood. Hey guys, thanks for watching our channel's airplane ride experience. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I'll share this video who liked this video. And leave a comment down below. And if you want to see it with your friends, make sure to share with it. And also, bye.